So I'm gonna buy my ticket now to and you can watch me buy my ticket and how it all goes down and everything. Hello, I'd like to book a ticket to what's it called? Koh Phangan.
Koh Phangan.
Koh Phangan.
Yeah.
I know it keeps. Right, here we go. Okay, no problem. 2 people. Well, one. Okay, one.
It's 2 1 time.
Thank you. Oh. Thank you.
Can I have the same, please? One to Koh Phangan. Yeah, it's one, please.
So there's the waiting room. So we gotta get.
Is this bus here, yeah? Oh, that was close. Oh my god.
So we're gonna go inside.
No time.
Oh, it's time, isn't it?
Yeah, that's right now. That's what I'm saying. Who's getting off?
So we're on the bus now, waiting to leave. It should be leaving in the next 2 or 3 minutes. I never got ripped off, but there was a misunderstanding, and then she charged me for 2, and I thought that I had a 500 and 100, so I thought it was 600.
Sorry.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to tap your head there. Sorry, Lord. Sorry. Just cutting it. I didn't know them was there.
I didn't see her either.
There's lots of seats available.
Why don't you sit here by your?
Because I kind of have my stuff with the guitar and I don't know. I need to get rid of it, you know. Do you want to buy a guitar? Someone needs to buy this guitar for me.
So yeah, we're gonna leave in a minute. I don't know how long it's gonna take to. How long does it take to get to the pier? About.
I think it's an hour, yeah. It's an hour.
Oh my gosh.
Hour drive.
Yeah, it's done so, yeah.
More like it's 70 kilometers, isn't it?
Yeah, it's far, yeah.
So yeah, there might be some interesting views. I'll let you know. I'll show you or whatever. So it's about 8:30 now. So let's see what time we get to the pier for. I forgot to go to the 7-Eleven.
Oh, yeah.
And Mr. DIY.
Mr. DIY, man.
We missed it, man.
Mr. DIY supplied me with all the things.
I wonder if there's one over there.
Maybe there's a Mr. DIY in Koh Phangan. I'll be there. The amount of times I'll go there.
So yeah, goodbye to Surat Thani for now, and I'll be back in a couple of days. So we're here. We've got loads of time, man. So we're boarding at 11:30. It's 9:30 now. So we've got like what, 2 hours? So we're chilling, man. Yeah, we're gonna go and sit in the sun. So get some food in a bit. Get the munchies first. This is what it looks like. Everyone's going here wherever they're going, and yeah, we're at the docks right now. The ride went really fast, man. I had good company. It was fun, man. I had a laugh and that. It was funny. Ah, wait, there's no smoking. Oh, so yeah, it was good, man. There's the water over there in the docks. We'll check all that out in a bit and find out what the rules are. But for now, that's all. So we've got through to the boarding now. We're leaving in 10 minutes, 15 minutes. It's quite busy. This is everyone that's going. Yeah. I've never been on a boat. Well, I've been on a boat before, but not properly. So this is gonna make me understand if I'm seasick or not. I don't think I am. I'm not scared or anything, so it should be all right. So we'll see how it goes. Everything's on time so far. There's no delay or anything. It's moving quite smoothly. I forgot how many hours it's gonna be, but we'll see. It's coming up. It's coming up to 20 past 11 now. We're getting on in 10 minutes, so we'll see how long it takes from half 11. That's what I was for. Yeah, you can smoke over here. There's Koh Phangan. We're just passing it now. So the same we're here now. Everyone's moving around and getting all excited. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, we are. We are here. There's the dock. There's an island over there. Yeah, we've just got here. So let's check it out then. So yeah, we're on the island now. Looks really nice. I'm looking forward to checking it out. Just waiting for my friend to get up now. I don't know where he is. See if we can see him. Yeah, we'll be here in a minute anyway, so I'm gonna check it out. It's really hot, nice day. Lots of people, so need to hurry up and get my hotel. So here he is. So yeah, we're gonna move on now. I'm getting pie vibes, you know. I'm getting pie vibes. Is that a good thing or not? Where are all these people saying to go, man? Like, I don't know anything right now, but like in a few days I'll get it. I love these moments. I don't know what I'm doing or what I'm looking at. I don't know where I'm going yet. 1 minute. Yeah. I'm gonna sort out where we're going. First reactions of this island is like it's very touristic, very lots of young people. Seems interesting. I'm very curious. I hope it's somewhere that I'm gonna enjoy. It looks like, yeah, like the way it's laid out, it seems like there's a lot to come and look at. What we're gonna see in a bit once I've settled in. See how easy it is to find accommodation and take it from there.
that.